It's a game, I think.
Oh, day. Day.
Yeah, you smell like food.
That's my tree.
What?
Some flowers.
They're little flowers.
I play the stone.
There's probably rules, but I think for now, we'll just play with the flowers. Look, they have different things on them. What's on this one?
This way.
What's on this one?
Do you like it, Ondine? Do you like it? Look at the flowers. You say thank you, Zadie? Say thank you, Zadie. Can you say thank you to Zadie?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.